Good day, everyone. The least expensive Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 smartphone in the world. Turbo free. Redmi Turbo free. And the price is in euros. This is in euros. Worldwide shipping. It could be in dollars. You can switch. $327 euros for Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Now that is insanely cheap. 329 on this side. Link in the description for you. Let's see the specs. Do bear in mind this side is translated from Chinese to English, so you can see it's a lot of misspelling and yeah, the whole thing is messy. But let's move on. Snapdragon 8S new generation flagship. Wild boost. 1.5K screen, 2400 nits. Flagship AI experience. We do have AI. 5000 mAh battery. Check out that demo. Let me play it. Let me play it for you. Should we see the demo? There it is. There it is. There it is. With no sound, but that's okay, I guess. This is a smartphone for you. $350 for the flagship experience. Now that's just how did they do it? Maybe the camera is not that impressive. Who knows? But damn, $350. I'm not sure why this is follow my screen. They should stay. What the fuck? Anyway, new generation. Is this going to follow all the way? Okay, let me refresh the site. Let me refresh it. Damn. Okay, now it's working. HyperOS. Let me translate to English again. AI control. So you will have 1.7K screen. All right. It's a very simple smartphone, but with a huge cooling system. That is great. Real Engine 3.0 ice cooling. There's green, Mojo, and ice titanium. Titanium version. Very light. Wow. Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, 446 ppi density. That's the display performance. Redmi Turbo. All right, and we do have 20 megapixel front camera, 50 megapixel rear camera. Okay, the camera is not the greatest. This is not a flagship, of course. Simple camera, but flagship performance. Everything. Okay, focus 2.0. It's a simple camera. I'm talking about performance of the chip, not the camera. Battery management system. All right. 60 minutes move up. Okay, that's the dust and water resistance IP64. 5G network, Wi-Fi. Well, like you can see, the whole thing is a little bit messy. Like I said, this is Google Translation. So first co-creation with Harry Potter. If you want a Harry Potter one, this is it for you. Harry Potter version with the whole thing, cards and yeah, that's a fan edition basically. All right, let me see the trading Shenzhen prices. You can choose gold, green, or black. That's all it has. UFS 4.0. It doesn't have Wi-Fi 7, but that's okay. Wi-Fi 6 is still plenty enough. A huge battery. You can pay in the Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, GPay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and stuff. Product details. Wow. Very impressive. And also there'll be a link for you for another store which has 2-year warranty. The first one has only 1-year warranty. This one has 2-year warranty. Similar worldwide shipping. This one is only with PayPal. If you have PayPal, then a 90-watt charging and 2-year warranty is yours. And Europe free, duty free. Europe duty free. If you live in Europe, no additional cost for you. Redmi Turbo free. I like it. Most likely I'm going to buy it for the review. What else do they have? Xiaomi 14 Ultra, $200 off. Special edition, Genshin Impact edition for the OnePlus. Vivo free. Tablets for $399 with Snapdragon 8 Plus. They have all kinds of discounts. OnePlus, oh, they even have Huawei. Ooh, Huawei P70 Ultra. Damn, $2,000. Wow. No, I wouldn't buy it. Not for $2,000. That's crazy. That's crazy money. That's way too much. Come on, $2,300. That's insanity. No. If this was like a $1,500, then maybe. But jeez, no. I think that's the most expensive smartphone I've seen. The regular smartphone without any gold and stuff like that. But wow, that's just damn. Anyway, that's all I have. Link in the description for you. See you next video. Bye.